Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Robilyn Manlito, 30 years old, married. I have 1 child. I am graduate of Bachelor of Arts, major in Political Science.
Hi, Miss Robilyn. How are you right now?
Sir, madam, I'm fine, thank you.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
The right attitude as a domestic helper must be honest, patient, and taking care of the child, and also hardworking.
Okay, so since you're already a mother, can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
The proper way of taking care of the children: give them food, take a bath every day, give them vitamins, play them, send them up to school, love them as your own family.
So what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir, madam, I promise you I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, hired me because I'm help for my family, and I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise you I will finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Robilyn, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.